Alright guys, so hello and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Knot Patterns. Alright guys, so in few minutes you're going to master how to fold a placket. Alright, the easiest and the simplest method ever. Alright, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe, so whenever I drop my videos you will be the first to be notified. Alright, so thank you so much. Let's start the class. Thank you. Alright guys, so you can see this is the placket we're going to be folding. You can see the way I folded it. Very simple, easy and straightforward. So this video is not for long, it's just in few minutes. So let's start. So first of all, this is my placket. I've cut using my color gum and it's 16 inches, okay? And then the wideness is just 1¼ inch wide. 1¼ inch wide. It's not very wide at all, okay? The smaller it is, the nicer it comes out, okay? So I'm going to iron it, okay? I'm going to iron it so it comes out perfectly, gums well. Guys, if you're interested in joining any of my classes, be it my suit class, my safari suit class, my male class, my male suit class, my female suit class, anyone at all you're interested in, that's my number on the screen. Chat me up and I'll add you up to the class. Alright, I have 7 classes and guys, my suit class is the best. Alright, so chat me up. Alright, so after ironing this, probably you can see I kept it leaving ½ inch allowance by the side. So after ironing properly, the next thing I'm going to do is to just watch how I'm going to cut it down, leaving a little allowance. Okay, that's my hemming gum I'm dividing right there so that I will use for it. So I'm going to be using this hemming gum to hem this side proper. You can see I'm cutting that side, leaving allowance of about 3 inches from the collar gum. Alright, so I'm going to use my gum now. I'll place it and then I will gum it properly. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn your notification bell on, okay? So that whenever I drop my videos, you will be the first to be notified. I would really appreciate, okay? So watch carefully how I'm gumming this. This is actually a crepe fabric, and when you're handling crepe, you need to be very careful, else you will not get a good shape at the end. That's why I'm taking my time as well, so that you will understand clearly what I am doing. It's just a 7-minute video. Please watch carefully to the end. Now look at this part here that I left 3 inches. I'm going to trim it off and get almost to the middle of the placket. Can you see that? Almost to the middle, okay? And I'm going to also gum it and stop where I reduce the allowance and stopped. Just watch carefully. When I get to where I reduce the allowance and stopped, I'm going to cut out the gum. Can you see that? I've cut out the gum. So I'll simply just go ahead and stitch gum and iron it this way. This is so as to make what you are ironing stay firm, okay? I'm going to reduce this excess allowance here. The allowance shouldn't be overlapping so that it won't affect the shape of my placket. And I'm going to fold it here properly, hemming it with a gum. Alright, hemming gum. Can you see that? Guys, like I said, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe and turn your notification bell on so that whenever I drop my videos, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, you see this? Alright, so I'm going to iron it properly. Turn it over, and it's not looking straight up here, so I'm going to trim it a bit. Okay, so I'll open it over and I'll reduce this allowance a little. It's too wide. Okay, now I'm going to fold the allowance in, but watch it carefully. While I'm folding this allowance in now, I'm not going to fold it in completely. I'll leave like a quarter inch out. Okay, I hope you can see this, but I'm still going to show you. So I'm going to go ahead and iron it now. Still going to show you. Let me iron it first. Now I'm using this fabric because I don't want the placket to be stained. Okay, the iron might stain it. I don't want to take chances. All right, this is what I'm going to use this on a customer's dress. Okay, it's not just a mere video I'm doing. I'm using on a customer's dress. See this? You see this? I'm coming the top here with my hemming gun. I'm going to reduce the allowance a bit. Coming the top here with my hemming gun. Guys, we're almost done. If this video is making sense, please subscribe, like and share the video so that many will get to watch it. And you see this, our placket is almost set. We're almost done with the placket. Guys, so you can see this is the easiest and the simplest method of doing your placket. Okay, the easiest and the simplest method. And you see this. So at this point you can see the under is wider than the top, so that when you are stitching you will stitch the under part. Can you see that? This is very simple, easy and straightforward. This is our placket right here. So if you enjoy watching this video, please subscribe to my channel.